Hey guys, so the Hydroblast is our high pressure parts washer. It has heat. It's going to be able to melt away all of that oil and grease and grime. Pump that we use is about a 2.5 gallon per minute process. It's going to run water through there. Make sure if you have any questions, you give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much. This part was very oily and greasy when we brought it into the Hydroblast. It has cleaned all of those surfaces and areas up. It is just a clean surface, so if you're just looking to clean parts up, the Hydroblast is the best place to be.